Did you know you can pause your Starlink account and still stay online for just 320 pesos a month? Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, it is true. But here's the catch. Starlink now offers standby mode for about $5. That's roughly 320 pesos for those counting pesos instead of pennies. Flip this switch and your account stays alive and you're technically still online, but at speed that make dial-up look ambitious. So yes, you'll have unlimited internet but not unlimited patience. Want to give it a try? Just log into your Starlink account, head to manage subscription, and hunt down the standby option. You can always switch back to full warp speed whenever you miss streaming in HD, or loading web pages before your next birthday. Bottom line, that 320 pesos monthly pause is real, but think of it less as a budget-friendly broadband hack and more as a digital life support for your account. Still, if you don't need blazing fast Starlink all the time, it's a clever trick to keep your connection and budget barely breathing. Wanna learn something neat and fun? Follow for more.